Tavi video just to show you how to use the website. I have login, how to edit products on this one, and I'll do some more with other things that you need to know as well. So the first thing you do is up here at the top, you put a / and then admin after that and hit enter, and that'll bring you to a login page. In here you add in the login details, which I will send you on the email, and enter into the dashboard. On the dashboard, most of what you need to do is in two areas, and as soon as we log in, I'll show you those. It is under Catalog and Products, and the other one is in Sales and Orders. So we'll go through the Catalog and the Products first. So we manage products through here, and you can see the list of your products. Now the products are broken up into two distinct categories. We have simple products, which there is just a one-off. It's like a vase. It's one size. That's it. It's just a single product. The other one is made up of things which are multiple sizes or colours. So the smoked Aussie pepper is a configurable product. That's what they're called. And the simple products are sort of hang off of that. So you need to establish a base product, which is a configurable product, and then you add the simple products to it. And how that looks on your site, I'll just log in again over here and show you. So we've got a Toby. I'll search for that product. It looks like, which one are you looking at? Go back and see. It was the smoked Aussie pepper. Looks like there's a few smoked Aussie peppers, but let's find it. Here we go. So I click into here, and you'll see that we have our sizes here. So it gives you that option. That's a configurable product, and each one of these is the simple product, which is established after we've done that. I'll go back and I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you how to edit it. So if you want to edit a product, you can click into the particular product, like the 70-gram one, and you can adjust your stock and everything in here. So if we go down to inventory here, we will see that we have 48 in stock. You can adjust that here just by clicking there. We can also adjust the prices here as well by ticking into this area. And we can put a description in here. Now the description is in the configurable product, not in here. So I'll show you how to do that in a moment. We'll go back to that. So if we go into the configurable product, this is where you would do your description, because the description is on the main product here and the other ones are there. So if we want to order that, we just click there, and you'll see in our cart we've ordered a 70-gram size smoked Aussie pepper. Here's what we've done. So I'll go in and have a look at some more products, and we'll create a product. So we go to Manage Products, and we add a new product here. We're going to do a simple product, continue, and I'm going to put here sample product simple. And I'll copy into all the areas we need to do. So it's basically a matter of filling in all the fields that have the little asterisks there. If you miss one, it'll prompt you to fill it in. You need to have an SQ code, which is a unique code. I'm just going to make this one SPS test, so we know what it is. We need to put a weight in every one, so you need to weigh the main ones that you're doing. So we'll say this one is 100 grams. You need to set the status as enabled, and it is visible on Catalogue and Search. You can choose if you want this as a featured image or not, which means it will show on the front page here down the bottom here. After we've done that, we'll go in and do the prices. So everything is in these little tabs. So we've done our description, and that can be as detailed as you want. You have a what you see is what you get editor. So if you open this up, it'll show you this, and you can edit the text and format it in here. So we can do that. We can add bullet points. We can change the font set, the font family to black. We can make font size larger. We can make it red if we wanted to. There we go. And we submit that, and that makes that change with all the coding in there that you need to do. So we'll go to prices. We'll say this one is $5.95. And we need to choose that it's a taxable good, which is a GST applied to it. So you can see the 54 cents GST in there now. Meta information is used for Google to search. So if I'm searching, say, for anything, we'll just go plumber in Rye. You come up with your Google search, and you have it broken like this. So that's your URL or your address. That's your title, is this one here, and this is your description here. So if we go back to your thing here, we've got a meta title here. So we're going to put in here, sample product, and we can put in our description here what we want it to say in there. So generally you want to include the words of the product, what people are saying there, and then a small description as well. You don't have to do that, but it helps if you want people to find you on a search. The next thing we need to do is put in an image. And we click on image, and in a moment there'll be a little browse button will pop up here. For some reason it always takes a little bit of time. And let us wait. There it is, the browse button. Click browse, and you can get this from your computer. So just choose an image from your computer. So as soon as that opens up, we'll just choose any old image that I have in here. So let's have a look, see if we've got any small images. I have a lot of images is what I do have. But here we'll use Keith here. Here's a drawing of Keith. Come on, Keith. There we go. Open. Once we open it, we then have to upload the file. And once the file is opened, you have to click these little buttons here on at least one of the images you upload. So you can put in multiple images in here if you want. Once that's done, we move down to the inventory option. This is where we choose how much stock we have. So let's say we've got 5 dozen. And we also have to say it's in stock. We then choose our category. And our sample products is going to be in other products because we don't have any idea what it is. And once that's done, we click save, and we've established our product. That's it, we've created the product. So if we go back and have a look at that, and we go to other products, we'll find that the last product on here will be the sample product. And I'll have a little picture of Keith there, there it is. Click in there. You can see that the sample product text is red as we formatted it. The image you can zoom in on or click on, and it will open up here, and you can look at it that way. So that's how that works. If we want to edit that product now, we can go back to Manage Products. There's our simple product. Click on it, and so we're going to edit the price. We're going to put the price up to $6.25. Hit that, automatically adjusts the GST as well, edit it, and if we go back into the product once that's saved, we can see that what we've done there will reflect here 625, so we've done the change. So as soon as you've done that, it's live and done. That's how to do a simple product. They're reasonably easy. If you want to delete it, which we will do now, we can click on here and delete the product. Delete it. That's it. So we're back to where we were. I'll stop this video for now and I'll do another one a bit later. So back to how we logged in first. Before we do that, I will log out. You have to put on, so we'll come from your website here, add /admin, hit enter, and then put in your username and your password, which will be on the email. From there you can play around. I hope that helps. The basic